Of course, the biggest celebration is happening right here in the heart of town, and the city of Bakersfield is already hard at work setting up for their annual Independence Day celebration at the park at Riverwalk. Joining us today in studio with some tips on how to best enjoy the show, we have Joe Conroy with the city of Bakersfield and Park Ranger Supervisor Billy Owens. Hello, thank you guys for joining me today.
Thanks for having us.
So I'm new to Bakersfield, but I've heard all about this show. Tell me, what am I looking forward to tomorrow night?
Yeah, this is our big event every year. It's one of the biggest events that the city has and hosts, the annual fireworks show. We typically have around 12,000 people show up,
Wow.
So a lot of family, friends, neighbors. The community's going to be out there. It's always a big show. The music starts at 6. We know people are going to be coming out there before that, so people are out at the park at Riverwalk pretty much all day. But the music will start at 6 o'clock with a DJ pantomime, and then the fireworks show will actually start itself at 9 p.m.
Okay, yeah, so 12,000 people, that is a lot. What are y'all doing to kind of prepare for this, get the park ready?
Well, staff has been working hard to get the park ready over the last week and including this morning's setting up. The one thing to remember that traffic will be impacted around the park starting about 8 p.m.
Okay.
So the recommendation is get there early to get the prime spots.
I was going to say, yeah, any parking tips? That sounds like a madhouse.
That's the critical thing, is get there early to get the good spots.
For sure. And then I read that there are going to be vendors, but what about, is there any rules about bringing your own food and drinks? What does that look like?
You can bring your own things, right?
Yeah, you can bring your own personal food and drinks inside the park. We're not going to allow outside vendors into the park because the city has licensed concessions there. However, on the southeast corner of Buena Vista and Stockdale, there is an area where outside vendors can set up if they choose to do so.
Awesome, yeah. And what can the community really look forward to at this event tomorrow night?
It's always a big show. It's always a lot of fireworks. Again, music plays beforehand. There's the musical accompaniment during the show and everything. Everybody always has a good time. We do ask that whatever you bring in, you bring home with you. So if you bring any food or drink, take that stuff home. Same thing with your coolers, that type of stuff. Be mindful. We do have the park rangers out there keeping everything safe in case you have any issues.
Yeah, I was going to say, are there any safety tips y'all want to throw in before the extravaganza begins tomorrow night?
I think mentioning the heat, be sure you drink water, lots of water, make sure your kids are hydrated, and, bring shade if you can.
Awesome.
I think in addition to that is keep in mind the water there at the park may seem very appealing because of the heat. If you do go into water, just like any water at your house, use approved flotation devices to stay safe, and always keep an eye on your children anytime they're around the water.
Right, yeah. Well, thank y'all so much for coming in today. It's been a pleasure to talk to y'all. We'll be right back.